Hi everybody, I finally got round to having a look at my BR85. It started making a bit of a noise, and it looks as if the rear telex is stuck in the on position, and I'm really looking for a little bit of help to see how we can repair that. I can just show you what's happening. You can see it there. Hopefully you can hear that noise on it, and the lights are flickering continually.